Hello guys and gals, this is a product review for Big Chewy Nerds. These are jelly beans. I think these were Easter overstock. Anyways, we're going to open these up and go from there. But first of all, let me see. It says her net weight is 13 ounces or 368 grams. Let's see, nutritional facts, about 12 servings per container. Serving size about 21 pieces of candy or 31 grams. 110 calories per serving. So, no fat, no 1% sodium, 10% carbohydrates, 45% added sugars, and no protein. Okay, that's all the poignant information that we have. Anyways, I'm going to open these up, and we're going to go from there. Reminds me of Trix cereal. I don't know if they still make Trix cereal or not, but as a kid, I loved that. But anyways. We have orange here, looks like. Wait. Okay, so we have orange, strawberry, lemon, and grape. So we have 4 flavors. Orange, strawberry, lemon, and grape. Okay, so we're going to try these one at a time first. Start off with the grape. Okay. It's like crunchy and chewy gummy candy at once. Very good. Lemon. Okay. Good. Orange. Strawberry. Okay. Okay. Individually, all the flavors are amazing. Authentic. And basically, if you like nerds, you'll probably like these because they're very true to that concept. Very good. So, let's take a yellow, a pink, a purple, and an orange. We'll try them all together. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. All the flavors, they mingle really well together. Very good. I like how crunchy they are. And that way they are reminiscent of Nerds candy because, you know, Nerds candy is a crunchy candy. Very good. I like the jelly bean aspect of them too. Very, very good. But yeah, it's a product I would highly recommend you check out. But that's just my opinion. You're going to take my opinion or leave it. Either way is fine. If you like this content, make sure you like and subscribe. Ring the bell so you know when I upload. Also, if you want to support me in any way. First, before we get to that, what I like most about this product is probably just the way that they mingle the crunchy texture of Nerds with kind of the gummy aspect of jelly beans, which I know the Big Chewy Nerds did in the first place, but adding the added layer of the jelly beans, I think really enhances the product. Very, very good. But yeah. Thanks for watching, everyone. You are loved, and have a great day.